I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie no blender easy method. Begin by chopping fruit into bite-sized pieces, then mash thoroughly in a bowl using a fork or potato masher until pulp is smooth. Stir in yogurt or milk and any sweetener or protein powder, adjusting thickness with more liquid. Transfer to a jar and shake vigorously, or press through a fine sieve for a silkier texture. Enjoy immediately or chill briefly before serving. Start by selecting a firm bowl and a jar with a secure lid. These will be your main tools for a no-blender smoothie. Cut fruit into small pieces so they mash more easily, and measure yogurt or milk for consistent texture. If you want a creamier drink, add a banana or avocado, and for extra protein, toss in powder or nut butter. Shake the jar vigorously or press through a sieve until smooth and scoop into a glass. If this video is helping you, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel and get more simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: I keep a little Tree's black ice in my car because it makes every drive smell great after grocery runs and fruit prep. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. If your mash seems too thick, add liquid a tablespoon at a time and stir or shake until the texture suits you. For sweetness, start small and taste, since some fruits are naturally very sweet and need no added sugar. To smooth out tart or grainy textures, fold in creamy ingredients like yogurt, banana, or nut butter, and let the mixture sit for a minute so flavors meld before serving. Enjoy experimenting with combinations you love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.